How to transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss an update. So first of all, open a Play Store on a device. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and type Google Authenticator. Then tap on search and click on install on this application. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Then tap on get started. Now if you have already signed in into your account, simply tap on continue. Else simply tap on sign in. Then tap on profile at the top right corner. Then tap on sign in or add another account. Now select Google. Now enter the email address. Then tap on next and enter your password and tap on sign in. Now once you're done, simply tap on I agree and all of your Google Authenticator's codes will be transferred here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.